How to add friends in Dream League Soccer 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a way to add friends in Dream League Soccer 2026, it is actually pretty easy once you know where to look. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for the home page to fully load. Once you're inside the home screen, go ahead and click on your logo at the top right corner, and then in the pop-up, look for the two human icons at the bottom left. Tap on that and it'll open up the Friends tab. From the Friends page, click on Add Friend in green at the bottom, and then go ahead and enter your friend's player ID in the text box. Make sure to type in the player ID correctly and click on OK. If the ID is correct, you'll be able to find your friend in the search result. You can then go ahead and send in friend requests to them. If your friend accepts your request, you'll then be able to be friends in the game. You can also share your ID to your friends and ask them to add you as your friend in the game. So that is how you can easily add friends in Dream League Soccer 2026. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.